Teens in Action is a civic engagement and leadership program that is grounded in developing the emotional intelligence of high schoolers grades 9 through 12. Teens from high schools across Hillsborough County apply to the program during their spring semester. They have to submit an application, 2 letters of recommendation, and attend an interview. This is really an exclusive program. They are selected by a selection committee from a group of exceptionally passionate and diverse set of students. Acceptance letters go out during the summer, and we kick off the program with a full-day emotional intelligence retreat at the start of the school year.
I think there is so much in our world today and in teens' lives, in their school, in their academics, in their social lives, and being able to manage their stress and to understand their emotions and be able to control their emotions, that has been so valuable.
The teens also attend bi-monthly workshops, and these workshops help build the emotional intelligence skills that they need to succeed personally, academically, and one day professionally.
It'd probably be the workshops. I really enjoy the guest speakers and the skills that I get to learn, and then also getting to see my friends. It's just a really fun experience doing it, learning with them.
Through the workshops, I've learned way more about myself, and I've taken all those lessons, whether it's learning to have a healthy friendship or relationship.
The teens apply the skills that they learn at their workshops through volunteerism. It's really enriching both the community and themselves. They get to select a partnering service site in their field of interest to volunteer at on a weekly basis, and they can earn up to 80 community service hours a year that can be used towards a Bright Future scholarship.
It's cool to see how many people are motivated to help the community, because if you don't go out and volunteer, you don't see much, and once you get out there, you see how many more people have a goal to help others like you. So I really like giving back to the community, and I want to make a difference in people's lives.
Our teens spend approximately 1,400 hours collectively serving at our partner nonprofit organizations. They learn about their missions and how they can make a difference in the lives of so many. Another important component of the Teens in Action program is the Capstone Service Project. This gives the teens an opportunity to identify a cause that they are passionate about and come up with an event. They work on that throughout the year and bring it to life.
I could still see myself volunteering after college just because of Teens in Actions. I've never really been that much part of the civic world, helping out, planning an event for a community, and now because I'm doing it right now, I could see myself still doing it after college.
It's a guideline for your future that you need throughout your whole life, going from young age to high school to college.
To me, emotional intelligence is just learning how to handle your emotions and what to do with them, because a lot of times different emotions impact how you work.
As a senior in high school, it's just really stressful getting everything done, especially with colleges and everything. So being able to recognize my emotions and say I'm stressed and here's what I can do has been a really great tool for me.
I'm an emotional person, so having control over my emotions is a very useful thing for me to have.
We can learn how to manage our own emotions. This has helped me a lot with my own stress management, which has helped me grow academically.
For him to be able to take advantage of learning those techniques, specifically the breathing, I've seen him do that at home. The other day, there was an issue where he had an issue at school and he came home and shared it with me. And he said, well, I was able to just go to the restroom and just take a breath and gather myself, where in the past that might not have happened. So I see that as valuable for him to be able to be empowered.
The Teens in Action program proactively builds the social and emotional skills that young people need to thrive. Our unique program model gives the teens an opportunity to develop a deeper level of empathy for others and leadership skills to carry forward to college and beyond. So now's your chance. Be a part of the change you want to see within our community.
Project.